How to upload HD or 4K videos to YouTube without losing quality. First, make sure you are connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection before uploading, as a weak connection can affect the upload quality. After that, open the YouTube app on your Android device and tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. From there, tap on Upload a Video or Create a Short, depending on what you are uploading. At this point, select the video from your gallery and tap Next. In the next step, before proceeding, make sure your video quality is set to 4K or the highest resolution available in the upload settings. Following this, avoid making any edits directly inside the YouTube editor before posting, as this can degrade the overall quality of your video. Once done, if your video needs editing, make sure to do it beforehand using a third-party editing app like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere Pro for the best results. Finally, add your title, description, and any other details, then tap Upload and let the video finish uploading completely before closing the app. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you upload high-quality videos to YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.